checking in. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, about to work on some washout pans. See, there's a few of them out here. So he got a couple of them that needs patches in the holes. I got some doors to fix to make sure they seal good. Some of them, once the seal will break, you have to fix it. I think this is one. See, they got this seal on here. You have to put this on there. So I'm gonna have to put these on there. And see this one. Guarantee you this one. Look at that. It got rusted out. Look at that. It's gone. So I'm gonna have to replace that one. And make sure that they seal, because all of them have to hold water. You know, you gotta hold the concrete. You can't just hit the ground and be on the ground everywhere. But that's what I'm doing, man. Leading by example out here, getting my hog on. I'm about to utilize my welding skid that I designed, man. I'm really glad that I came up with it, because it's been a great asset for me. And I just want to say once again that when I came up with the welding skid, I was just thinking about myself. I was thinking about how I can benefit my business, how I can benefit being a mobile welder, being an independent welder, you know what I mean? I want to know, how can I benefit myself? How can I make things better, organized? And I like organization. I don't like things to be all messy and out of order, because it takes longer to do something, and then it causes safe issues and trip hazards and just a lot of problems. So having a skid that you can have all of your equipment on, your reels, your extension cords, your cutting tool, everything you need, and all you gotta do is pick it up and go, man, it's a win. It's a win-win. So I'm glad I came up with this, man. Just want to give you another look at it again. See, I even got the forklift slots in it. It got the lifting eyes for a small crane. So if you got a small crane, it'll pick it up. Forklift, I mean, it's fully loaded. And someone asked me about because this is the deluxe model, and the base model don't have half of this on it. And the gold model has actually gonna have reels, the leads, and everything on it. So that way all you have to do is put your bottles and welder on it. It'll pretty much come with everything but your fire extinguisher. Your fire extinguisher, your bottles, and your welder will be the only thing you have to put on there. And I'm charging $3 grand for that, for my for the starting off for the gold package. And like I say, it goes up. So if you want boxes on it, like I'm gonna have this one with the boxes over here. So when you see me finish mixing with this one, I'm gonna have it where I can take the boxes off, or I can have the skid by itself. I'm gonna make it completely optional. But if you want that on there, that'll be more. You know what I mean? I haven't figured out the price of that yet, but I'm gonna figure it out once I get it all together. But I wanna lead by example first and actually do one. So once I do one, then I can tell you. So, but my goal is to have boxes on both sides, but I can be able to take them off. So I don't want to have them on all the time. So I want to be able to have it look like this at times. And if I need the box on the side, I can put one on there, because I don't really need this big of a box. But if I got two of these on both ends, it's a win-win. But this is a great box though. I love this one. It's lightweight, it's aluminum, easy to haul around, easy to tow. So if I need to ship it with something, I can put everything in this one, take it to FedEx, UPS, ship my welder, ship what I need, you know, if I'm doing some electrical work, and I can pick this up, take it to the job site, do what I need to do, ship it, be back at the house. So that's my goal with that, man, just to stay independent. So just wanted to give you another overview of it, man, before I let y'all go. And just to show you, man, I'm out here getting money. So I built this to get money. And actually,